please put your hands together for Derby Dreams.
That's my mate there, Laurent JD on the right.
Hello everybody, how are you all feeling tonight? Yeah! Beautiful. Yeah, my name's Abacus, we're Derby Dreams. I'm just going to start with a little acapella, then I'm going to go with a beautiful song. So, okay, yo. It's safe to say that civilization's failure is imminent. A critical stage dictators are trying to slay us in millions. The greatest ambition is to make a crippled population fit for instant domination like the brain of a simpleton. Death with their armies, they're raping and pillaging celestial bodies of us reclaiming the pyramids. I'm playing a video data was in incapacitated ministers in a palladium claiming it's visiting aliens masquerading as citizens. Reanimated civilians cavalcading a horde of exacerbated retaliation. The hands of Satan react with hatred and vitriol. Anti-sacred rituals activated by criminals. It's the fate of a divisible species. Single individuals are driven by deep greed. I seek peace, chilling while I'm spitting my free speech. Sipping my tea, building up the pith, it's the green trees. Visions that precede scenes, biblical proportions. Typically born from premonitions of immortals. Sitting by the portal, swallowed by this vortex. Walking on the dotted lines as volatile as war threats.
Is everybody okay? I said, is everybody okay? Cool. Right, before we start, I just want to say salute to my boy Guy Fawkes. That's why we're all here tonight. Let's have a good time.
Telling me I'm worthless. You try to hold me on the ground. You have me hiding in the shadows. I didn't know if I'd be found, but I'll keep fighting through this darkness. I know I will overcome all the pain, all the suffering I felt because of you. I know he said I am strong, so don't let them drag you down.
Don't let them drag you down.
Someday it will turn around.
Someday it will turn around.
I remember of how they feel inside. So don't they just right?
They tried to take away my life, man, they tortured me. Took away my privileges, every day they taunted me. Tried sending me to the mortuary, but I'll be what I'm born to be. Now my only enemy and memories that haunted me. Segregated from my family, secluded from my friends. Standing barefoot instead of cruising in a Benz. Had to choose to live again, proving given lend. Cause love's the only thing I care about losing in the end. I used to stand like a brick wall until they crumbled me. Used to be cocky and strong until they humbled me. In this jungle, G, I won't let them stumble me. And I won't sting them back to lose my life like a bumblebee. If you've ever faced death, you'll understand, so follow me. No fear, so clear when these suckers tried to collar me. See, they changed me to a guy I didn't want to be. They opened up my eyes to a life I didn't want to see. Don't let them drag you down.
Someday it will turn around.
Someday it will turn around.
I remember of how they feel inside. So don't they just right?
Reminiscing by about sitting in that prison cell, beating them bloody. This is real truth, listen well. 4 years down the line and I'm still praying they will lift my bell. Trying not to sit and dwell, that was like a living hell. The toilet was a hole in the floor. There wasn't food or water, messy man, how blinded I. My head took stupid trauma, threatened every day with death. Nothing like a movie for you, never saw the credits, cause I'm still here and I'm moving forward. Pain runs deep, but I'm growing stronger every minute. This ain't a gimmick, now my life has seen a fresh beginning. Every second, every minute has a lesson in it. So here's to every critic scrutinising every lyric. If I can stay alive through all that struggle, lose 5 stone, the fat bang on a couple stone of muscle. If I can fix my mind and fix my hustle in this jungle, there ain't a damn thing in my way that's gonna cause me any trouble.
So don't let me drag you down. Someday you'll turn around, 'cause that words are a mirror of how they feel inside. So don't hate, just rise.
Big up everyone who's come along tonight. Watch out for the album coming soon, The Transformation. Look me up on Facebook, Twitter, JD Justified Music with a K. Pick up the singer Lee Laurent. Make some noise for Lee Laurent, everybody. Peace.
Thank you very much.
It's time for the next track. Yeah, we're Derby Dreams. Having a lovely time out here tonight. Markeaton Park. I'm Abacus. Yeah, it's the track off the album. Yo. I'm a semi-legitimate academic illiterate. Still I'm on the graph trying to cash a check for $1 million. Never passed the class that I had to get my certificates. My depressing, you pity it, that's a lesson in silliness. Have to rep a satanic level affiliate. Ministers, plan the deaths of the idiots. Ridiculously trapped like rats, they're ready to finish us. And God, you're not acting very considerate at all. I'm just with the panic peasants and villagers who struggle to catch a breath in this atmospheric oblivion. Manifest the omnipotence of inner city corporations. Stay innocent from taught nations. Genocidal organizations based born from hatred. All my days are sought to save my fate. Formulated like the laws of nature, tainted with the flavor of injustice. Blame it on the government, we blame it on the public. So what I'm out to do, Derby Dreams. Yeah. So what am I to do? They block the vital news and sodomize the youth with the softer side of truth. The problems lie with them, so if you modernize your views and not ostracizing you, I grip the button like the Zoom so I can modify my mood and rock the mic and booth. I'd love to leave this rock and maybe colonize the moon, cause this globe's a wasted resource. Our leader is at every place we need wars. Keep us on our toes with their extreme force. See more street corners and learn life lessons on civil rights, but yet they rule with unwise ethics and ruses that can give us night terror, son. Now we're feeling senseless, just like we're blind, deaf and dumb. I'll never be so apathetic to learn about your present, need to know about your past and never let a man forget it. Stand the record, open hand and show the evil. What we gotta do is resurrect our plan to grow as people. Thank you! Woo! Hands in the air. Derby Dreams. We got Black Star on production. Yeah.